In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to eyedropper any color in PowerPoint. This is an incredibly handy skill for customizing the look of your presentations by matching colors exactly with other elements you have on your slide or even elsewhere on your screen. Whether you're fine-tuning the aesthetics of a slide or ensuring brand consistency, this method will allow you to pick the precise shade you need. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to click on the shape, text, icon, or any object that you plan to recolor. It's important to select what you want to change before picking a new color, as this ensures that the color swap will occur exactly where you intend. Once you've made your selection, your next step is to go to the menu where you'll find the color options. Depending on what you've selected, you'll want to head over to either the shape fill, text fill, or outline menu. These options are conveniently located under the Shape Format tab or the Home tab on your toolbar. After locating the correct menu, you'll notice there is a drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down arrow, for example, the Shape Fill, and you'll see a variety of color options appear. Among these options, you should see the Eyedropper tool. This tool is indispensable because it allows you to match colors effortlessly without having to know their specific RGB values. Once you've selected the eyedropper option, you'll notice your cursor changes to a small eyedropper icon. With this tool active, move your cursor over any color you see either on your PowerPoint slide or anywhere else on your screen. This flexibility is remarkable because it extends your color palette beyond the immediate PowerPoint environment, helping you truly align your design elements with your desired look and feel. As you hover over the various colors on your screen, you'll see a preview of how they look with your selected object in PowerPoint. When you've found the perfect color match, go ahead and click. This action will instantly apply that exact color to the shape, text, icon, or object you initially selected. The speed and preciseness of the eyedropper tool can save you significant time by eliminating the guesswork out of color matching. And just like that, you've successfully used the eyedropper tool in PowerPoint to harmonize the colors within your presentation. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can elevate the professionalism and visual appeal of your slides. Keep practicing with it, and you'll find that your presentations will not only convey your message effectively, but also leave a visually appealing impression. Thanks for following along, and happy PowerPoint designing.